Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. Wish you a very happy new year, and in this new year I have come with another recruitment which is announced by Hindustan Steelworks Construction Limited, recruitment of manager and deputy manager in the legal stream. Though there are few vacancies, but you can look at this recruitment and see whether you are eligible and you want to apply for it or not. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. Hindustan Steelworks Construction Limited is a mini Ratna company. As you can see here, for manager law and for deputy manager law, for both these posts, there is one vacancy each for the unreserved category. The scale of pay is from 60,000 to 1,80,000 for manager law and 50,000 to 1,60,000 for deputy manager law. The upper age limit for manager is 37 and for deputy manager it is 33. Minimum post qualification experience is also demanded. For manager 6 years and for deputy manager 3 years post qualification experience is required. Opening date for online application is 23rd of December and the last date is 31st of Jan. आप 31st of Jan तक इस फॉर्म को फिल कर सकते हैं. Let's look at the essential qualifications. For manager law, you should be a graduate with full-time LLB from recognized university or 5 years integrated course with minimum 55% marks. Candidates having 6 years experience and working in PSU, government, large private sector are eligible to apply. Candidates should have sound knowledge of company law, arbitration matters, contract, property matters, civil criminal matters, labor laws and stay orders. Candidates should have exposure in service matters, employee disciplinary matters, Industrial Dispute Act, should have hand-on experience in contract lawsuit, draft of deeds, license and permission, government audit, agreement, legal documentation preparation, etc. For deputy manager law, graduate with full-time LLB, 5 years or 3 years with 55% marks and 3 years experience in PSU, government, large private sector are eligible to apply. इन सब एक्ट्स की आपके पास नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए. एक्सपीरियंस इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ, ड्राफ्ट ऑफ डीड्स, ये सब होना चाहिए. This is the eligibility for manager and deputy manager. These are certain other definitions of work experience. इनको एक बार देख लीजिएगा. These are certain restrictions mentioned. कौन कौन सा work experience valid होगा. The work experience should be in full-time job and in relevant area. Any other nature of experience like freelance experience will not be considered. Entrepreneurial experience will not be considered. Service rendered during training period as trainee on regular pay scale or stipend shall be counted for the purpose of experience. However, training as apprentice training or any other training under legal provision or part of academic curriculum will not be counted. Articleship, internship, apprenticeship, academic project will not be considered. For legal discipline or stream, candidates must have registration with Bar Council of India or state. So you should be registered with the Bar Council. Then documentary evidence for work experience is also required. For past employment, work experience certificate should be there, in which there should be date of joining, date of relieving compulsorily mentioned. Joining order, payslip issued by the company should be there, relieving order issued by the company should be there. All these documents must be provided. For current employment, this all should be mentioned. Then this is the documentary evidence for prescribed education qualification. Next, we will have details about documents required for verification of date of birth and other documents required. आप ये सब इस notification PDF में से पढ़ सकते हैं. The crucial date for determining the age limit and post qualification experience will be 23rd of December 2023. आपके पास relevant experience, relevant age by 23rd of December 2023 होना चाहिए. Now, what is the procedure for applying? The candidates are required to apply online. The relevant link will be made available on this website. The same shall also be displayed on this website. HRM career section के अंदर आपको details मिल जाएंगी. Opening and closing date mention होगी. No other means or modes of application will be accepted. Before filling the application form, you should keep your photograph and signature, a scanned copy of these ready. Fill in the online form details with the relevant details. Upload the scanned copy of photo and signature and relevant self-attested documents pertaining to education, experience, certificate, job profile, salary slip, company turnover, caste, etc. All these documents have to be uploaded. No modifications are allowed after the candidate has submitted the online application form. These are the list of documents which have to be submitted. These are the mandatory documents. These are, if applicable, documents. Then you have to pay the application fees. Now let's look at the selection procedure. The selection will be by way of written test, computer-based test, followed by personal interview. Structure of the written test or computer-based test, there will be a core paper related discipline of 100 marks and general aptitude of 70 marks. So paper will be your discipline paper, core paper, in which there will be 50 questions of 100 marks. Then there will be paper 2 of general aptitude, in which there will be general knowledge, reasoning, English language, numerical ability, and These will be 70 questions of 70 marks. 120 minutes, 2 hours will be given for all the tests together. So these 70 plus these 50 questions have to be solved in 120 minutes. Written exam session is one session. Language of the test is bilingual, Hindi as well as English. Type of questions are objective and there is no negative marking. So please attempt all the questions in case you are appearing for this exam. In case of written test, computer-based test, the minimum qualifying marks in the test will be 50% pass mark. You have to attain 50% marks. That means 170 में से 85 marks आपके आने ही चाहिए. Candidates qualified in written test will be called for personal interview in the ratio of 1:5. For one seat, 5 students will be called for personal interview. Other details are also mentioned. If the candidate applying has experience in private sector or PSU banks, then what should be the company's turnover? This is also mentioned. So please look into this as well. So that is all. You can check out other details from this recruitment PDF attached in the description below. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us on this number or you can mention that in the comment. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.